All right, it is Thursday, March 19th, 2020. Here's my day trading recap. I took one trade. It was BHC, and you can see where I got in, got out. I'm just going to be a real quick recap because I got a lot of stuff to do today that I have to get through, but I really want to make this recap because it worked out really well for me. And like yesterday's trade, I stuck to my rules, which I said I was going to be doing this month more than ever. And of course, once the pandemic hit, the market went all crazy and it was harder to stick to your rules, so it's just been a nightmare. But I've been pushing through, and I've actually had some really good trades this month, and this was one of them. So BHC popped up in one of my scans when the market was just absolutely ripping. If you look at just really quickly look at the SPY. So the SPY was kind of whippy in the pre-market, but then it took off. You could see from 9:30 on, it just like rocketed up, and that was moving so many other stocks. And so this BHC showed up in one of my scans, and I just quickly looked at it, and I liked the pattern, and I looked at it for just a second. You can see it gapped down today, and then it ripped up. You can see I like the pattern here because when I saw it, it had already moved well above VWAP and the 200 moving average, but I just liked the volume that was coming in and the fact that it was moving up nice and steady. I felt like I could get a decent move out of it here because the market, I was just watching the SPY. It's just like trading a SPY proxy basically is a lot of what many day traders are doing right now with the way the market has been. You just look for something that moves at least consistently with the SPY at a lower price. It's just easier to trade, and that's what BHC was doing. So I got in at 1356 right here at 1356. Open it up. I got in at 1356 and it ripped up. I held on. I did not take my shares out because my first target was 1384. So I got in at 56. My 2R was 84, and I said, all right, I'm gonna wait for it to hit that, and I did. It hit it. It took some out. I only took out less than half. I took out less than half. Normally I would take out half, but I just really wanted to test this new strategy that I've been trading and see if I could get some more out of it. So I took out less than half, waited, and once I hit my 3R, I took out at 1398. See, it kind of popped above there, and I was hoping to get to 06, and it actually did. It went all the way up to 1412 at one point. I just got a little nervous. I wanted to hit my 3R because that's what I did. This exact same thing yesterday. Yesterday I took out a little before my first target with a trade, and then I took everything out at my second target, which was my 3R. So here I took everything out at both those R's. I took a little bit out at my 2R and the rest out at my 3R. So I'm not too upset that I didn't wait for it to hit a little bit above 14. I thought maybe it would hit its head on 14, but you could see it kind of dropped down to VWAP shortly after I got out all my shares. So I was glad I did that, and I can't really cry over like 12 cents that I didn't get here. I got close enough to the top that I was happy with it. So the market kind of faded back to VWAP, but if it puts in another bounce, it could be a good trade later in the day. But like I said, I'm not going to be able to trade anymore. This was it. BHC, the Bausch health company. Nice little move. I thought maybe it might have been extended, but I just liked all the volume that had come in here, and I felt like it could pop, and it did. So I got a nice move. So I got on less than half my shares a nice 28-cent gain, and then on the rest of them I got in. I got in at 1356. So I got a nice 42-cent gain on the rest of my shares. So really nice trade. Really happy with it. Might not be trading tomorrow because I got so much stuff to do. So if this is the last trade of the week, I'm happy with that. Going to the weekend feeling good. So with two good trades, one yesterday, which I recapped in a video, and this one. So good luck trading. If you have a trade that you had today, a really good one, let me see it. Show me a chart. If you can make a video about it, post a link. Just let me know. I'd love to learn about how other people are trading. All right, good luck. See you next time.